All right, so this is synthetic division, and there's a missing term. We'll talk about that in a minute. Sometimes I have students that are like, I don't want to do synthetic division. I just like the long division. The problem is, so we're going to use this as a tool, and you have to do it like several times sometimes for a problem. And to do the long division, that would just take a lot of paper and a lot of time. So we want to be able to use the synthetic division later on. So that's why we're going over it. Okay, so you'll notice in this case, the degree is 4, so fourth degree. Now, we'll just keep that in mind. Okay, let's talk about what goes in the box. It's got to be a 1 this time. So again, we're saying what number makes x minus 1 equal to 0? What's the number on the divisor that would make it equal to 0? And that's what goes in the box. Okay, and again, if you want to stop this and try it on your own, that'd be great. All right, now we're going to look at the dividend. And it's a degree 4. That means I should have 5 coefficients. So I'm going to have a -9. Then I have a 10, because that's going 4, 3. Then I'm going to have a 7, 2 for the exponents. I'm looking at the exponents. So 4, 3, 2. But there isn't an x term in there. That's the problem. It's missing the x term. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend there's a 0x. It looks like ox, but we're going to put a 0 in that place. Now it makes a difference where the 0 goes. It's got to go in the right spot. So it's the x term that's missing, so that's where the 0 is going to go. And then -6. Now I have 5 coefficients. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're always supposed to have one more than the degree. So if it's 4th degree, you're going to have 5 coefficients. If it's 10th degree, you're going to have 11 coefficients. You're not going to see anything like that. Don't panic. I don't think you'll see that, but you could. Synthetic division's great like that because we can just make our line longer. Okay, so that's the setup. This time there was a missing term, and we have to make sure we catch that. Okay. All right. So bring the first term down. Multiply. Add, multiply, add, multiply, add, and multiply. So it looks like there's a remainder this time of 2. Let me scroll this up. Okay, so we've got everything there. We just need to write the polynomial now. So we started out in the dividend with x to the 4th. That means we're going to go to x cubed. So it'll be minus 9x cubed plus x squared. I don't have to write the 1, it's understood, plus 8x plus 8. Now I have to deal with the remainder, plus 2 over the divisor, which was x minus 1. And then that's how I would write that as a polynomial, and we're done.